Welcome to the last video in this series. You've got this far, and that can only mean one thing. You have the dedication to succeed in learning how to trade. This video is potentially the most important in the series because by the end of this video, you'll learn to place your very first trade. We recommend you pause the video when you get to that stage, open a demo account so that you can practice along with me. So let's start. We now know that when you trade with AvaTrade, you get regular alerts of what markets are moving hard, and that could be a good suggestion of what to trade. Also, on our web trader platform and our mobile AvaTrade Go app, you have the Trading Central tool. It's packed with information like trade ideas, market buzz, which indicates what markets are being discussed the most in the media, and also which direction people are mentioning them, either positively or negatively, which could help you understand if the asset may move up or down. In addition to that, stay on top of the news we deliver to understand which stocks are about to release their company earnings. Now, if their earnings come out stronger than expected, it's a good indication that the stock may move higher. Also, news on assets like oil, which due to reasons ranging from war to supply issues, can see its price moving higher or lower. So that's what to trade. Now it's important to understand that with AvaTrade, you're not actually buying the assets like the stock or the oil. Instead, you're trading them for potentially short-term gains. There are many benefits to this, one of which is that you don't need to worry about storing oil or gold in your front room. Phew. But it also means that you can trade when the markets are both rising or falling. For instance, take Tesla stock. If the number of Tesla cars produced is less than expected due to a factor like supply chain issues or microchip shortages, this might cause Tesla stock to drop. If you bought the stock, that's no good, as the value of your holdings will drop as the stock price sinks lower. However, when you trade Tesla with AvaTrade, you can also trade it when it's moving lower by placing a sell order rather than a buy order. There are two parts to every trade, the trade opening and the trade closing. It's only once you close the trade that you can actually see profits. So in a trade where you think the price of an asset like Tesla will rise, you might choose to click buy on the platform and then wait for the price to rise enough to actually close your trade. On the other hand, if you think the price of Tesla stock will drop, you would start by placing a sell trade, and then once the price has dropped, close your position and take your profits. Another benefit of trading with a regulated and secure broker like AvaTrade is the ability to use leverage. Leverage is a facility offered by most brokers, and it's used by most traders. In effect, it's like borrowing money from your broker for that particular trade to increase the buying power of your trade. So for example, if you want to place a trade for $50 on Tesla, if you use leverage of 1 to 20, so 20 times, your trade power suddenly goes up from just $50 to $1,000. And this can bring greater rewards, but be advised to start with lower leverage as a beginner, as it can also bring greater risks too. AvaTrade offers negative balance protection, so your balance can never go below zero. Now it's a good time to open your platform, so pause the video and open a real account or a demo account to trade along with me, and I'll see you again in a minute. Let's look at that trade on the platform. Do you see Tesla here? Well, you can see that it's moving lower, so you might want to open a sell trade and then wait for the price to move enough to take your profit. So when you're ready, click to close that trade. Two more things to mention here. Number one is that we have an amazing tool on our platform called AvaProtect, which when you set it before the trade opens, it can protect your trade from losing. Simply click the yellow shield. And number two, the other thing to note is that you don't pay us trading fees or commissions. The way your broker monetizes is through a trading spread. This is simply the small difference between the buy and sell price. So when you place a trade, you simply need to cover that spread in order to make a profit. Finally, we have an amazing tool called AvaSocial. It's a social trading tool, and it allows you to gain exposure to the markets while automatically copying the trades of the trade masters. First of all, you can check out their stats and their success rates, and then you can decide who to copy. Then simply click copy, and your trades will mimic theirs. It's the perfect way to learn while being in the centre of the financial markets. To end this video, I'd just like to highlight the importance of staying up to date on market news and to keep learning as you're going along. Be sure to check out our Ava Academy for our courses that will take you through all the stages of trading, along with quizzes to test yourself at the end of each stage. And remember our YouTube channel for updating market news and highlights. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and now it's over to you. Speak to our dedicated support managers for extra help, open the platform, and start trading. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck and happy trading.